Here are some thoughts on making 2019 a really big year for Claremont. I'll be the first to admit it was hard to hide my disappointment when the colleges closed the Old City Golf Course in 2013. I still remember the small trophy I received when getting my first hole-in-one on the 8th hole. And although the colleges have kept the property neat and trimmed, it's still an eyesore with a very prominent location. I'm not expecting a new golf course, but maybe there's some way to use the land as a college-sponsored park or driving range or for other activities I haven't thought of, even on just a portion of the property. Hopefully someone from the colleges feels the same way I do. There are plenty of great spots to see fall color in the City of Trees, but few streets compare to Miramar Avenue, west of Mills, for seeing the leaves change colors. These Arizona ash trees boast bright yellow leaves and line the street all the way to Forbes Avenue. I'm hoping 2019 is the year the city finally replaces a small number of jacaranda trees that have died along Indian Hill Boulevard in South Claremont. Since Indian Hill is a main route to the city, it really isn't a great look for visitors driving to the City of Trees. You really don't realize how large the KGI 400-room dorm project is until getting up real close. And it's located close to the Claremont Village, just south of the railroad tracks. This is a great opportunity for the city and KGI to incorporate and connect this student hub to an important part of the downtown area. Do you have any ideas on what to photograph in Claremont? Just send me a message via email or Facebook. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.